Welcome to the ECOVACS WINBOT W1-PRO Operating Guide. Open the product box and remove the product and accessories. Always read the precautions in the instruction manual before use. Connect the power cord to the adapter. Plug in and turn the power switch on the bottom of the WINBOT to I. The indicator is on. Tap Rich Scan and use your phone to scan the QR code on the bottom of the WINBOT. Install the app, register, then log in and go to the main app screen. Tap the Add button on the home screen of the app. Scan the QR code on the back of the robot. Follow the user guide and complete the connection. Use a measuring cup or fill the water tank directly with ECOVACS Special Window Cleaner. The maximum volume is approximately 60 milliliters. Do not fill the water tank with purified or filtered water, as using non-special cleaner may result in poor cleaning effects or damage to the machine. Before starting cleaning, it is recommended that you manually wet the cleaning pad and wring it out as hard as possible. Attach it to the hook and loop fastener on the bottom of the machine, based on the shape of the cleaning pad and press, and smooth it with your hand to allow the cleaning pad to fasten securely. For safety reasons, always secure the safety lock components before cleaning. Before starting cleaning, please double-check that the power switch on the bottom of the WINBOT has been turned on. During the operation, you can press the Start button to start the fan, and once that the robot is successfully attached to the glass, the machine will start cleaning. You can also hold the handle and press the 4 ball joints on the bottom of the WINBOT evenly on a smooth surface. The WINBOT will be automatically sucked to the glass and start cleaning back and forth in a U-shaped pattern. During the operation, please make sure of the following requirements. 1. WINBOT can only operate on flat surfaces. 2. Make sure that the glass thickness is not less than 3 millimeters. 3. It is recommended that the machine be attached at least 10 centimeters away from the edge for frameless glass. You can also use the app to perform various operations on the WINBOT, such as selecting different cleaning modes, including fast cleaning, deep cleaning, and spot cleaning. You can also set your cleaning preferences for each mode, such as cleaning times, WINBOT voice control settings, and so on. When the WINBOT is attached to the glass and starts cleaning, it will automatically spray water by default. You can also control the movement direction of the machine or manual water spray by clicking the manual remote control button. If a pause is needed during cleaning, you can do so through the ECOVACS Home app. Tap the return button in the app, and whilst in operation, the WINBOT is able to return to the designated corner. When cleaning is complete, the robot will return to its starting position and make a beeping sound.
Cleaning complete.
If you need to remove the WINBOT, hold the handle firmly and press, and hold the host button for about 5 seconds before the fan stops. You can detach the WINBOT from the glass, turn the machine over, and power off. Remove the safety lock and unplug the power cord. If the WINBOT will not be used for a long period of time, empty the cleaning solution out of the water tank and remove the cleaning pad promptly until its next use. This is the end of the operating guide. Thank you for watching. For more information, please tap on the app and check the Help and Feedback section for more details.